Hi students, I hope you are taking good care of yourself and you must be fit. So, we are starting with session 3, that is question answer session. But before that, I would like to ask you something. That is the thing that I told you in the first session. I told you you need to read chapter and the topics with the sessions. If you have not read, please do read the chapters in the textbook and then you can start writing the question answers. Let us start the question answers. Question first is state whether true or false. A. James Mill divided Indian history into three periods: Hindu, Muslim, Christian. False. Why? Because it was Hindu, Muslim, and British. B. Official documents help us understand what the people of the country think. Again, false, because they only told how the administration of the Britishes was. C. The British thought surveys were important for effective administration. True. Question 2. What is the problem with the periodization of Indian history that James Mill offers? Answer. The problem with the periodization of Indian history that James Mill offers is that we divided the Indian history into three periods: Hindu, Muslim, and British. However, the periodization of Indian history on the basis of religion is not feasible for any reason. For example, many different religions coexisted peacefully when the country was ruled by Hindu kings. Mill thought that all Asian societies were at a lower level of civilization than Europe. According to him, before British came to India, religious intolerance, caste taboos, and superstitious practice dominated social life under the rule of Hindu and Muslim despots. Mill felt that only British rule could civilize India, and to do this, it was necessary to introduce European manners, arts, institutions, and law in India. Question 3. Why did the British preserve official documents? Answer is British preserved official documents because they thought that by keeping all the records in written, it would be easier for them or any other person to know about the decisions taken in the past. They clearly noted down all the policies, instructions, plans, agreements, and important things related to the administration of the country, so that in future those records can serve as proofs of all the decisions that they had taken. One can study the notes and reports that were prepared in the past. Question 4. How will the information historians get from old newspapers be different from the found in police reports? To write about a period in history, historians need to gather data and information from various sources, both official and unofficial, to bring out about a clearer and wider picture of the life of the people in that period. The information that the historians get from old newspaper and police reports can be entirely different. The archived official documents provide the picture from the point of view of the people in power. A police report is one such official document. The police report comes from an administrative viewpoint and the type of details that we can obtain from then are often restricted. However, this is also a disadvantage as the police record restrict the amount or the kind of information one can possibly get from them. A police report is strictly confined to the procedures and is considered with record keeping rather than building a narrative. So to get a wider view of a period in history, historians go through the unofficial records relating to that period, like old newspaper, diaries of people, accounts of pilgrims, autobiographies of different personalities, booklets, etc. Unlike the restricted nature of official sources like police records, unofficial records like old newspaper provide varied information to the historians that might bring out the finer details about an event or an happening. On the other hand, police reports often neglected the information that does not directly serve the function of law enforcement. However, it would not be right to say that such information represents the complete truth. Even a newspaper report may be influenced by the reporter's personal thoughts and interests. So, do write these question answers in your notebooks and by heart them. Thank you.